confidence motion, and so there was a movement going on. Imran Khan, the former Prime Minister, essentially then started talking about some Quranic verses, it's called Amr bil Maroof and Nahi anil Munkar, meaning that this is promotion of virtue and prevention of vices, somehow that we were the, standard bearers of vice and he was somehow the standard bearer of virtue. That, by the way, for reference, was also a line that Taliban used in the previous incarnation. They had a ministry of that name. But we
जब डेटॉल एंटीसेप्टिक लिक्विड घर की हर बकेट का हिस्सा हो तो आप और आपका घर रहे 99.9% महफूज और सबको बचाए 100 किस्म की बीमारियों वाले जरासीम से।
डेटॉल के रोजाना इस्तेमाल से मेरे अपने महफूज रहें।